Hi, I'm Peter D. Michael. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how fast and easy it is to bring back the cool to your vehicle's air conditioning. I'll take you through it step by step, but first, there are a few points we need to go over before we get started. But don't worry, because charging your car's air conditioning is a snap with AC Pro. You'll enjoy colder, drier air in minutes. That's because AC Pro contains advanced chemistry for maximum cooling comfort. The ultra-synthetic formula also seals common AC leaks in rubber hoses and O-rings, and special anti-wear additives help protect and extend system life. AC Pro model ACP100 comes with a reusable trigger dispenser with a built-in pressure gauge. The longer hose is perfect for hard-to-reach service ports, and the new easy coupler attaches simply by pushing onto the port. Okay, let's get started. First and foremost, always remember to put on safety glasses and gloves. To prepare the AC Pro for use, unscrew the trigger dispenser and remove and discard the white plastic safety cap. Now, screw the trigger dispenser back onto the can. Next, locate the low side service port under the hood. The low side service port will always be on the larger diameter aluminum tubing between the compressor and the car's firewall. Here are some typical low side service port locations. For additional help finding your vehicle's low side service port, check online at acprocold.com. Now, unscrew the low side service port cap, but don't throw it away because you'll need it later. Okay, let's start the engine now and make sure the AC is set to max cool with the fan speed on its highest setting. Attach the charging hose to the low side port by simply pushing the easy coupler onto the port until it snap locks securely into place. Gently tug on the hose to ensure the coupler is locked on the fitting. At this point, check the pressure gauge. To get an accurate pressure reading, it's critical that the compressor is running. You'll know your compressor is running by looking at the center of the pulley, which should be rotating and cycling on and off. Rotate the gauge dial until the center arrow in the V on the lens points to the ambient or outside temperature. Check the system pressure when the compressor is running. If the pressure is below the range of the V and the AC is blowing warm air, you can now proceed to charge the system. Here's a quick troubleshooting tip when checking AC pressure. If you attach the coupler and the gauge needle goes into the red zone, it could be that the AC is not on. Or the system may be so low on refrigerant that the compressor will not cycle on. In this case, you would need to add a can of AC Pro refrigerant. If the compressor still does not come on, you should seek professional service. Before charging, shake the can really well. After reattaching the coupler, begin adding AC Pro by squeezing the trigger. Hold the can upright and rotate between the 12 and 3 o'clock positions every 10 seconds. Continue this process periodically, releasing the trigger to check the pressure gauge reading. Do not overcharge the system. The system is fully charged when the pressure gauge reads within the correct zone. After charging, remove the hose coupler from the low side port and replace the service cap. Store the partially filled can of refrigerant in a cool, dry place, keeping the dispensing hose tightly attached to the can. Wow, that's cold. And just think, you did it all by yourself and it only took you minutes with AC Pro.